Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magician costume is probably one of the most enchanting outfits a child can wear, instantly transforming them into a master of illusion. From pulling rabbits out of hats to making things disappear, the magic of a magician costume sparks creativity and wonder. Perfect for Halloween, school plays, or just a fun day of dress up, this costume promises hours of imaginative play and endless entertainment for your little one. Number 5. PREXTEX Kids Magician Costume Toy Kit. This magician costume is crafted from high-quality fabric, making it easy to clean and resistant to dirt and cold water. It's designed to withstand hours of fun and play, ensuring it lasts through many magical performances. This set is perfect for Halloween, themed parties, or any special event. With its variety of accessories, it's a versatile choice for any young magician ready to put on a show. Kids will have hours of fun with this set. It encourages imagination and creativity, providing an amazing pretend play experience that will keep them entertained. The set includes a 35-inch cape, a rabbit puppet, a top hat, a hidden compartment for a magic wand, colored ribbons, and gloves. It has everything needed to create a fantastic magic show. This set is designed for toddlers and kids aged 6 to 12. It's a great gift for any child who loves magic and wants to explore the world of illusion. They'll love putting on their own magic show. What we like. This set is made with high-quality fabric, making it easy to clean and durable. It also includes a variety of accessories for different events. If you are looking for a versatile and durable costume for various occasions, this is the perfect choice for your little magician. What people say. He is so happy and proud of looking like a real magician. It arrived in a nice keepsake box and is very good quality. The quality of the hats was amazing. The magic wands were great too. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Magician Costume Roleplay Set. Unleash your inner magician with this amazing set. It includes everything you need to put on a fantastic show. Get ready to amaze your friends and family. This set comes with a hat, cape, wand, and even some magic tricks. The vest has a secret pocket for storing your magical secrets. It's all made of high-quality materials. The outfit is made from 100% polyester. It's designed for durability and comfort during your performances. This set is built to last through countless shows. This costume is sized to fit children aged 3 to 6. It's a great gift for any child who loves to play and use their imagination. It encourages hands-on, screen-free fun. To keep this set looking its best, simply hand wash it in cold water. Avoid bleach, and let it drip dry. It's designed to be easy to care for, so you can focus on the magic. What we like. This costume set is made with high-quality fabrics and includes everything needed for a magical performance. It also comes with tricks to get started. If your child is between 3 and 6 years old and loves to perform, this set is ideal for them. What people say. She loves doing magic tricks, this is a great outfit for her. She loves every piece and enjoys wearing it while she performs her tricks. The set is absolutely adorable and my toddler loves putting on magic shows. What a great costume for a 4-year-old boy. My grandson wore it to Sesame Place Spooktacular and performed the rabbit in the hat trick for the characters. What a hit. Number 3. Magic Kit for Kids with Costume. Are you ready to amaze your friends and family? This magic kit is perfect for young aspiring magicians. It includes everything you need to start performing incredible tricks. Step into the spotlight with the included magician costume. It will make you look the part and boost your confidence. Get ready to wow the audience. Don't worry if you're a beginner. The kit comes with a simple guide and video instructions. They will guide you through each trick step by step. This magic set is designed for kids aged 6 to 12. It's a great way to encourage creativity and develop performance skills. It's fun for everyone. With this kit, you'll learn amazing tricks. It's a fantastic gift for any child who loves magic. They will be entertaining everyone in no time. What we like. This magic kit includes an easy-to-follow guide and video instructions. It's designed to help kids learn magic tricks quickly. If you want a kit that provides clear instructions and a variety of tricks, this is the one for you. What people say. The hat is really cute, fits my 6 years old, is sturdy and made of a felt-like material. He has thoroughly enjoyed the tricks and is enjoying sharing his magic powers with his friends. She has played with this continuously since she got it and loves showing off the different tricks. There are a lot of tricks to learn and she keeps getting better at doing them. Number 2. Beelittle Kids Magician Costume Set. Are you ready to become a master magician? This amazing set has everything you need to start your magical journey. It's the perfect way to spark imagination and creativity. Transform into a mysterious figure with this classic cloak. It adds an air of enchantment to any performance. This will make you feel like a true wizard. No magician is complete without these essential tools. The top hat is perfect for pulling out surprises, and the wand helps to cast spells. With these, the possibilities are endless. These gloves add a touch of elegance and professionalism to your act. They help you handle props with grace and style. It will make you look like a real professional. Surprise your audience with this adorable rabbit puppet. It's a classic magic trick that never fails to delight. This is sure to bring smiles and laughter. What we like. This set comes with a cloak, cape, top hat, wand, gloves and a rabbit puppet. It has everything a young magician needs to start. If your child loves classic magic and wants a complete set, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The hat fit her great and so did the cape. The cape is very nice, but hat came smashed and wasn't protected. I really liked the hat, cape, reversible with a stiff collar that stands up, gloves and rabbit puppet. Number 1. Heyzeibo Magic Kit for Kids. This Heyzeibo Magic Kit is designed for kids aged 6 and up. It's packed with easy-to-learn tricks and high-quality props, perfect for beginners to build confidence. Kids can quickly learn tricks just like professional magicians. These basic magic techniques can also help them think creatively and explore different forms of magic. The kit comes with a detailed, easy-to-understand instruction manual in English. Children can easily follow the pictures and learn how to perform the tricks. This magic kit is a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Watch their faces light up as they share their new magic skills with family and friends. The props are made of quality, safe materials, designed for young hands. The edges are polished to ensure they won't hurt your child. If you have any questions about the kit, please contact us. We will refund or replace your product immediately. What we like. This magic kit is designed for beginners with easy-to-learn tricks and a detailed instruction manual. The props are made of quality and safe materials. If you want a kit that builds confidence and provides a safe and fun experience, this is the ideal choice for your child. What people say. Great quality items. I really like the cape because it is double-sided red and black. The cape and gloves that came with it which he promptly put on and kept on throughout the day. Montello Pesendi ben fatto, guanti super. I giochi sono facili da fare e adatti anche ai piccoli. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.